Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
eBay said it will eventually replace PayPal with a Dutch firm called Adyen as its primary payment processor, more closely integrating payments on its site. The online marketplace expects to have mostly completed the move by 2021, and PayPal will still be offered as a way to pay at checkout until July 2023. February 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The following 4 companies are good alternatives to PayPal. Skrill. Skrill is one of the best-known PayPal alternatives. Payoneer. Payoneer is one of the most popular electronic platforms in the world. Google Pay Send. Stripe. The 25th of May 2020.
Take our lead.
While Amazon does not directly accept PayPal payments, there are workarounds that allow you to use your PayPal account to buy on Amazon. If you have a personal account, you can request a PayPal Cash Card, which is a debit card.
Make your mark, take our lead.
30 per transaction fee, easily topping PayPal fees by 1 to 2% on average. Managed payment sellers now pay a flat rate international final value fee of 1.65% on top of the 30 transaction fee and the normal final value fee for your category, which for fashion with my eBay store is 9%.
Make your mark, take our lead.
eBay needs the SSN for reporting 1099 income to IRS. The only option is to register a business name or LLC, etc. and apply for an IN, then use that. It's not eBay, it's the IRS requiring this. Too many sellers flying under the radar on income taxes. 20 May 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.